Okay, so let's head back downstairs here. This is one of the ways. Most people don't go this way because it's a little steep and a little unnerving, but I just hit my head, so we're doing all right. So, just take it all in here. Now, we're coming around here. We'll kind of walk along. The guy lives in a man cave. That's all I gotta say. This is a residence, so we're just kind of being discreet about it. They've been kind enough to invite us in here. Apparently they have a bunch of different events and whatnot. And now that we're making our way back, this is where we came in at, behind this gate here ahead of us. Just old Vandy Camp's bakery sign. I remember those growing up. Some of you may have as well. Got some stuff in here. This place is just amazing. We're just getting a glimpse here. We'll take a lot of still shots and post them as well. Let's go ahead and move around here. And yeah, that's obviously not being observed. So, just a vintage looking garage with a vintage flathead dragster there. Just some amazing things going on in this place. Just incredible. They've been collecting for about 35 years here, and it started with the father and it's been passed on to the son. And if that Oldsmobile looks familiar, they also had the one that James Garner raced as well at one time here. So big Oldsmobile support for their racing efforts. Another little garage in here. We'll just kind of pass along to that. Move around here. And we'll just do a real quick one here. And it just keeps going and going and going. Just so much cool things to look at. Alrighty. Move along. And you kind of get the idea. And of course, you got to have a boat. You got to have your boat with your big motor in the back. Looks like a big block Chevy, maybe. Could be wrong. Actually, distributor's in the wrong place, so who knows. Anyways. Moving along here. Then we'll do, like I said, we'll do some pictures here. And some more stuff here. Anyway, that's it for now. We're going to take some more pictures. Again, this is Mike Martin from Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you from the American Trifive Association California Dreamin' Tour, presented by California Car Cover.